Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Our Amazon find for today is the Lume Whole Body Deodorant. It's received 4.3 out of 5 stars on Amazon and has received over 23,000 ratings. Imagine a deodorant that goes beyond just your underarms, one that keeps your entire body fresh and odor-free for up to 72 hours. That's Lume Whole Body Deodorant, a game changer in personal care. Unlike traditional deodorants that only mask odors, Lume's unique formula stops odor before it starts, using natural ingredients that are gentle on your skin and safe for every part of your body. Whether you're working out, on the go, or just living your daily life, Lume is your all-in-one solution for staying confidently fresh from head to toe. Plus, it's aluminum free, baking soda free, and cruelty free, ensuring that what's on your skin is as pure as it is effective. Say goodbye to embarrassing odors and hello to a new level of all day confidence with Lume Whole Body Deodorant, because you deserve to feel fresh everywhere. Check out the link in the description box or simply scan the QR code. Like, comment, and subscribe for more Amazon finds.